Hey everybody, Abby here. Today I am coming to you from my home office, another part of the house. This is like my at-home stuff um, when I'm downloading all my YouTube stuff and whatnot. But anyway, today I am bringing you a video on how to make your wife a hot wife. I had someone ask me this question in an email. You know, a lot of guys are all about the cuckold fetish and know what they want and are excited about it, but they don't really know how to talk to their wives about it or their significant other about it. You don't know where to start. You don't know how to approach it to her with it. So yeah, today I'm gonna bring you some answers to those questions, and I hope you enjoy. So it says, as far as approaching her on it, how I always say, start with an open and honest conversation with your spouse or partner. That is always going to have positive results one way or another. There's not going to be any guessing, and there's not going to be any assumptions made or anything like that. You all know I'm a big fan of this. When you approach your wife or partner, don't be too surprised if she's a little put off by it. Just at first, just the thought of tangoing with other men might be a little intimidating, even if she is a kinky kind of person. You can always just kind of put it out there, the idea out there in the atmosphere, mention it, let it take root, let her think about it, revisit the conversation. Guys, you're going to want to nurture her natural desire to explore her inner vixen. Women are fascinated by the powerful sex goddess inside of us. Nurture that. Yes, we are, even the shy ones. Whether they're older, have body image issues, or any other insecurity, even if she has these concerns and insecurities, I guarantee you that goddess inside is there and waiting to come out. You just gotta coax it out of her. And I can promise you, whether she's admitted it or not, even if she's totally straight-laced, she's intrigued and maybe even repelled by those fictional heroines and the real-life bombshells whose powers of seduction are larger than life. Guarantee. And fellas, you helping her see herself in this light is important. And you will definitely reap the rewards of it. Guys, don't forget, help her out with some hot wife clothing and accessories. Even if you've been together for a while and she only dresses up for special occasions, and her favorite daily dress is yoga pants and a t-shirt, I can guarantee you that goddess inside, she loves those tight jeans and heels and boots. Promise. Remind her when you notice other men or women noticing her if she's dressed to kill. That's a good way to help her bring out that inner goddess. Pump her up a little bit, make her feel good about herself, make her feel a little more secure. Let's face it, men or women, we all want to be noticed. Stir up those powerful emotions of sensuality, role playing, and the allure of her transcending from the wife in the daily grind role to the sexy siren. Indulge with her. French stockings, lingerie, that little black or little red dress. Encourage her to bring out her glamorous side. Let her feel the power she has over you when she dresses like this, and point it out when others notice it as well. Guys, I can tell you from a personal side here, it is like a powerful aphrodisiac for us women. Really, it is. I can't understate how important this is. Express to her how arousing it will be for you. Of course, you want to point out to her the thrills she'll be getting from being a hot wife, but don't pretend it's only about what she desires. A big part of what women desire is attached to what excites you. True story. For some women, knowing that this will turn you on may be all the convincing they need to become a hot wife. Remember, I've said before in previous videos, guys, it turns me on to know that I'm turning you on, just sitting here enjoying what I enjoy doing, smoking a cigarette. Case in point. And most likely the main objection you'll receive from her will most likely be that she only wants to be with you. That's true. Don't downplay or dismiss this concern. Even polyamorous women tend to focus on the one-on-one with each lover. Overcoming this objection by showing that trust, intimacy, sexual passion, and the love between you will only be enhanced by taking this journey together. You know, all of these things will lead you both to an exciting and sexually fulfilling hot wife cuckolding lifestyle. I can honestly say that I feel as though I had gone through every one of these stages I mentioned throughout the video, and I will admit I have gained a whole new perspective on how I view myself and how others view me, as we ourselves had embarked upon that journey. I had never been one to have much self-confidence, although I could pull it off like I did. I was good at that. But anyway, it never took compliments well, never thought much of it. I just thought men were blowing smoke up my rear end. I never believed it. But once she's convinced look out. It's game on. So fellas, I have to tell you, follow these steps and you will yeah, it's going to take a little bit of effort, but you will reap the benefits. I promise you, in the long run. Ladies, I will wish you all, or I will leave you all with something that I wish someone would have told me when I was a younger girl. That I wish I would have learned a lot earlier in life, and have since told my daughters, my nieces. I tell them this all the time. Girls, embrace your hotness. That's all I have for you guys. We'll see you soon. Bye.